Meet Weet, the best collaborative video tool designed to help remote teams working across multiple time zones.
And close the distance between clients and teammates.
Weet is an interactive video messaging tool. It allows you to kick off an asynchronous video meeting that your team and clients can join at any time.
And record it directly on your browser.
You can use Weet for creating all types of videos, from creative reviews to sales demos and even walkthroughs.
Weet offers a human connection when you can't be there in person. It's for freelancers,
Digital nomads,
And basically for any company, big or small.
even marketeers and brand managers can benefit from it.
Turns out, collaborating remotely doesn't have to be hard.
simply sign in and click Create Weet.
Choose a background, update your audio and video preferences, or simply share your screen.
Start recording and click Next when you're done.
Last, name your Weet and share it with anyone.
And what makes Weet really special is that it allows people to interact with your video using emojis, video, and audio comments.
And even with collaborative recordings in real time. Go to beweet.com and take your business to the next level. Weet. Stop meeting, start weeding.